الرحمن. Today lesson is part of speech. From prayers, days, names. We have four sentences. Sentence number 1. Friday is special. In this sentence, Friday is proper noun, is verb, linking verb. Special is adjective. Sentence number 2. Today is a happy day. In this sentence, today is verb, adverb, is verb, a article, happy adjective, day noun. Sentence number 3. Thursday is near Friday. In this sentence, Thursday is proper noun, is verb, near preposition, Friday is proper noun. Sentence number 4. I pray Fajr. In this sentence, I is pronoun, pray is verb, Fajr is proper noun.